Hello, my dear students. Welcome back once again in the online class of EVS after the winter break. Students, we will come to know about a new chapter today, and that is chapter number 10 Plants Around Us. This chapter is going to come in your final term. In this chapter, we are going to know about the different types of plants, uses of plants, and also about the different parts of plant. Plants are very important part of nature. We see different types of plants around us. Some plants are big while some are small. You can see easily in your surrounding that there are different types of plants which may be big and which may be small. Now we will come to know about the different types of plants. First of all, trees. What are trees? Big plants are known as trees. You can see in the picture of a coconut tree is shown, neem tree as well as mango tree. These trees have strong trunks and thick branches. Now we will come to know about shrubs. What are shrubs? Shrubs are the bushy plants with hard woody stems with them. In this picture, you can see the picture of a rose plant, vinca and hibiscus. Such plants are easily available at our home, and we can easily find out that these plants have woody stems with them rather than the thin green stems. Now we will come to know about herbs. What are herbs? Small plants with soft and green stems are called herbs. For example, coriander and wheat. In the picture you can see the picture of green corianders and wheat plant. There's a difference between herbs and shrubs. Shrubs have strong woody stems and they are bushy too, whereas herbs have thin green stems with them. Now we will come to know about a new kind of plant. Such plants are known as climbers. What are climbers? Plants with very weak stems which need support to grow up are called climbers. For example, grapevine and pea plant. Such plants like grapevine and pea plant, they need support to grow up. Without support, they can't survive. So these plants are known as climbers. Creepers. What are creepers? These plants have weak stems like climbers. They grow along the ground. For example, watermelon and pumpkin. Climbers need support to grow up, whereas these plants grow along the ground. You can see the picture of a watermelon and pumpkin plants. These plants are having weak stems, but the fruit is quite heavy. The picture of pumpkin and the watermelon shown, these are heavy. These are the vegetables which are quite heavy than the plants. Now we will come to know about the different parts of the plant. Here you can see in the picture, there is a picture of a rose plant. Now what are the different parts of the plant? First of all, you can see the flower very clearly. Secondly, the leaves. Third, the buds. Fourth, the stems. And the last one, the root. Root holds the plant tightly into the soil. What are water plants? Some plants grow in water. Such plants are known as water plants. You can easily find with the word water that these plants, they live in water. They survive in water. For example, duckweed, lotus and water lily. Lotus is the national flower of India. Now we will come to know about the importance of plants. There are some plants which are used for making medicine. Such plants are known as medicinal plants. Let's see what's there on the screen. Some common plants which are for the purpose of making medicines are called medicinal plants. Some such plants are found in our homes or area around us. For example, tulsi and neem. We can easily find these plants at our homes or in the areas where we live. Now, here we come to end the chapter. Students, I request all of you to read the chapter, go through the chapter nicely, understand the chapter, and try to answer all the questions correctly. Thank you.